Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your gender on Snapchat. Whether you're refreshing your Bitmoji or switching things up entirely, these steps will help you make the change effortlessly. First, open the Snapchat app on your device and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, locate the settings icon, a small gear, at the top right corner, and tap it to access your account settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the Bitmoji option. Tap on it, then select Edit My Bitmoji. Now, here's an important step. To change your Bitmoji's gender, you'll need to unlink your current Bitmoji first. Tap Unlink My Bitmoji and confirm when prompted. This action removes your existing avatar and prepares you to start fresh. After unlinking, return to the profile page and tap Create My Bitmoji. You'll be prompted to choose a gender for your new avatar. Select male or female based on your preference. From there, continue customizing your Bitmoji by selecting features like hairstyle, skin tone, outfit, and more. Once you're satisfied with the look of your new avatar, save your changes. And that's it. Your updated Bitmoji with the new gender will now appear on your Snapchat profile. This process is simple and gives you full control over personalizing your avatar to match your identity or style. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a hand updating their Snapchat Bitmoji.